Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can change the TV shows rating or allow or don't allow it on the iPhone 14 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And on the home screen, tap on Settings. In Settings, go down and tap on Screen Time. Next, tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. Then tap on Content Restrictions. Next, put in the screen time passcode. Now tap on TV shows. Then you can choose Don't Allow or Allow to turn on or turn off. Otherwise, you can also set the rating of the TV shows. So in here you can set TV MA for mature audience, and that means anyone that is too young to watch it will be restricted. And finally, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.